Hello everybody, my name is Epic Emerald Craft and today we're going to sleep. And I have to tell you something. I have updated my MCPE. I just downloaded it in YouTube. And yeah. What's new in here is you can do anything you want to do. You can build a wait a second, golem. You're just going to make like these screws, and you can make a snow golem using two. Just going to put pumpkin in the head. So there, you have your golem, and you have brewing stand, anvil, and many color of defense, and heads, and enchantment table, and flower pot, and you can just put it in the floor. And there, yeah, flower portal. And the enchantment table can glow. See, it glow, and it has obsidian down it. There, obsidian. And you can build a portal, a really big portal. Oh, where did I? And you have new blocks, nether quartz, and soul sand. That's awesome. And 4 and 4, another 4, and oh, there you go. I don't want to enter that because for good reason. Yeah, that's just like here. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I have and of course, new eggs, new fun. We have ocelot, gas, blaze. And there you only have 3 new eggs. Here's the ocelot. Yeah, it's kitty cat. And of course, gas, the giant sea monster, and this blaze is strange one. When you hit it, it sounds like a metal. Come on, go hear it. Can I hit you, Mr. Blaze? Yes, okay. See? It sounds like a metal. And the golem attacks it. And you can place heads wherever you want. Heads, wherever you want. And then, what's new? And of course the anvil, when you know, just place up. Okay, that's Get out, Cass. I don't need you anymore. Ocelot. Ocelot, 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 Ocelot. Many Ocelot. And and just put anvil and it will fall like a sand. See, they die. Oh, they all die. And another one is, take a look at this. My personal favorite emerald. You can see it in the inventory. Golden apples, all the stuff thingy, and potion. And you can see Spadera, and here's potion. Let me use, where's the night? Yeah, night vision. Let me use this so I can see. Yeah, it's like morning. Here's splash potion. You can throw it. Let me throw it. Right, right. It doesn't work. There we go. And I remember you can build a circle when you do this. Oh, I just I just learned it by myself. Hey, get the circle. And you have redstone. Redstone doesn't work. I don't know why. And all the section of armors is here. You get the leather and chain armor, iron armor, golden armor, gold armor, and snowball. Yeah, that's let me test the end portal. It doesn't. It's not so effective when I do it. How did you make a ender portal? I mean, and see, it doesn't work. And there. Oh, and the last thing. Why it's so laggy? Okay, here. Why am I Steve? I'll change my skin later. Oh, I will change my skin later. Yup. You don't have to see my photo because let's go back. There. As you can see, emerald, emerald. Okay. This is the jumping. When you press it, there's nothing happen because you should. Well, what is that? What's this? Is this a lag? Oh, what the? What are you? Oh, that. What is this? What happened to your snowman? I thought your face is pumpkin. What is wrong with this thing? Oh, I need to kill it. Yeah, better die. Oh, that's creepy. Good thing this golem is a good person, right? Okay, that's the new things. MCP 0.12 and yeah, let me do Wither Boss. I think it works in, I don't know if it's all sand. And this stuff. Oh, I didn't mention. When you hold the head, it's look like a banner or a shield or a sign. Yeah, I have a shield. You cannot defeat me. And so That's all, guys. Make sure to subscribe. I'll make videos every day. Peace. Goodbye.